This is Frank from PolyDoor.com. Today we're going to show you how to install a cylinder in a 990 on Duprin trim. First we take the cylinder, we're going to put the collar on. We're going to go into the cylinder hole. We're going to take the provided back plate, put it through the hole into the grooves. Then we're going to take our cut screw and screw the back plate. And then I always like to check that everything's centered, and then I'll tighten the screws. And there you have it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informational videos. See you on the next one.